Hey people, my name is Rahul and in this video we will see how to disable right click on your WordPress website images. So let's see how we can do that.
Okay, so I am on my WordPress dashboard now. So this post has one image, and whenever I will right click on it, it will show me these options. Okay, and I want to disable the right click on images so that user will not get these options. Okay, let's just open this post in incognito mode. Okay, so here also everything is same. When I go here and right click on the image, you can see these options. Okay, so let's add one plugin to disable this. Okay, I will go on my WordPress dashboard again, and inside that we will go in plugins and click on add new. Here you will need to search for no right click image. Okay, and go for the first result here, which is no right click images plugin. Install it and click on activate. Okay, so plugin has been activated successfully. So again we will go in incognito mode and refresh this page. Okay, so now whenever I will right click on this, you can see we are not getting that options which we having previously. Okay, so this is how you can disable the right click on images using plugin. Now we will be seeing how to disable the right click on images using a code script. Okay, we will be not using plugin for that. So let's just go back to the WordPress and deactivate no right click images plugin. Okay, the plugin has been deactivated now. Let's just go back to the incognito mode and refresh this page again. Okay, the page has been refreshed now, and again I will come here and right click on this, and you will find out we are getting this option back because we have deactivated the plugin. So let's just go in WordPress again, and now we will add some code script in our functions.php. So you will need to go in appearances and then go to theme editor. I will recommend you to create a child theme before adding any code to your WordPress themes. If you don't know how to create a child theme, I have created a video for that. You can find that video in description below. So just go to the functions.php, scroll to the bottom, and I will just copy this code and I will paste this code at the last. Okay, and update the file. I will give this code in description below so you can copy it from there only. Okay, the code has been saved successfully. So let's just go back to the incognito mode and refresh this page. Okay, now when I will come back and right click here, you can find out that we are not again getting that right clicks option. So this is how you can easily disable the right image click on your WordPress website.
So this is how you can easily disable the right click from your WordPress website images. That's it from the video. If you have any question, please let me know in comments, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and make it great. Thank you.